What is up, everybody? We hope you had a Merry Christmas. We are back today. We are actually in the trailer today. We're going to start working on getting this all set up for the boys. And the first thing we're going to do is start tearing down some of these walls here. We have made a change. We are going to be putting this insulation here in, this foam board. We're going to put this in, get the electrical ran, get everything done. So stay tuned. Okay, so first thing we got to do, we got to get some of this board taken down. We do have some boards ready up here, so we are making a slight change to this. But we're going to at least get this insulated here, and then we have over here some popular board, and that's going to dress it up a little bit, so when we go to paint it, it's going to look a little bit nicer. But yeah, I think it's going to turn out really good once we start working through some of this stuff. But yeah, so we're going to start doing that. We're going to get this all torn apart, get the insulation put in, get it put back up here, because we're going to use this board right here. We're going to use this to kind of hold this all in place, and then we're going to put right on top of it here the poplar board that makes it look a little bit nicer, dresses it up, paint it all up, do the back wall, the side walls, get that all done, and start getting it all wired up for electrical, because their heater comes in on, I think, Friday. Once we get that in, they'll be ready to start rock and roll, and we're going to start building out some beds. We got some ideas that we have been bouncing around with me and my wife, and once we get that all laid out and all situated, I think they're going to enjoy it. So let's get started. So all I did was, I did a small trick. Basically, I just cut it, and then I basically slid it back behind here, and then put another piece right on top of this here. So basically, there's just two pieces here. So actually, there's probably like 4.5, 5 pieces there that we got to put there. But yeah, it's gonna look great, I think. This will definitely help the insulation for being down south. Colder weather, probably not so much.
Okay, so what we got the electrical hooked up, we got the plug. My GoPro went dead and we ran into all sorts of issues, so I didn't get any of that on footage, but basically we just got the electrical ran into the box. I still have to staple down and get some clamps for that. We got the heater all mounted and hooked up. I have one of the outlets all hooked up, and then I still got to staple this across and put another board and everything else up for the sliding door. Got their beds all pretty much put together. I still got to face this side over here and this side over here. So we still got a lot of work to do, and then I got to run conduit from here all the way back so we can tap into that outlet box there, as well as a couple outlet boxes we're going to put on the back for the garage area. So it is coming along slowly but surely, but we're going to keep trucking our way. But at least it's starting to take some shape, and we're going to start working towards trying to get some of this done. So we will see you guys on the next video. This will wrap it up for this one here, as far as just getting the beds, the walls, and some of the electrical stuff done. And then we'll talk more as we start working through some of this. Jess is going to be painting the walls while I'm out in Salt Lake City doing some work. So we're going to try to get that all finished up so she can start painting the back half of the walls, get that all taken care of, and then we'll start getting the 12-volt system for the lights and everything else all wired up and go from there. So peace.